Listen to that crispy top. Oh man, I can't wait.
Wagwan everyone, my name is Kunchi. This is Cooking with Kunchi, and today I'm here with my wife. She is my sidekick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make my wife's mac and cheese recipe, and I'm gonna be doing the filming. She's gonna do all the work. I want you guys to just take this recipe in because it is a banger. We did this recipe for 700 people recently. Can't wait to show this to you guys. So I'm going to let Susie take it away and give you guys a synopsis of what we're doing.
We wanted something a little different. We wanted a cheesy mac and cheese that has the cheese topping instead, but we needed it to be able to hold up with brisket. It's great by itself. It's great with meat in it. So we needed something versatile that could do both because, like I said, we were feeding 700 people. So I created this recipe after looking at so many, and funny enough, Teeny's mac and cheese, it's very similar to that. So, and it's everybody, hands down, their favorite. So follow us. We're going to take you through the steps. First things first, shred your own cheese. This is very important. You know, there's fillers in the shredded cheese. So just take the time, get yourself a nice little shredder and shred the cheese. I like this one is like boom, boom, boom. So just have your stuff ready because you're going to boil your water as you're shredding your cheese. You're not going to cool down your pasta because you're going to immediately start that sauce as soon as the pasta is done. And it comes together so quickly, which is really nice because you're not in the kitchen for hours and hours.
Yes. So everything will be down in the description. The brisket mac and cheese recipe is already up on my website. The video is already here. So you guys can go ahead and check those out. This is just a plain mac and cheese.
Yeah.
I want you guys to check this out. Follow us for more and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
You can't leave your room. So one of the things that I like to do to make my life easier so I'm not like messing with measuring cups is I like to get everything just organized. Trust me, it's worth, I do not like extra dishes, but it's worth it. And you can put it in Ziploc bags. Sometimes I do that if I'm feeling lazy for the day. So this is my butter that I'm gonna have for the roux. This is my flour already measured out, so I don't have to mess with it. All I have to do is like shake it in there. My seasonings, which we can talk about that in a little bit, wide variety of things that you can do. That'll be at the very end. And then I like to separate my cheese, the sauce cheese and the topping cheese. So I like to have everything ready to go. And then of course my room temperature ingredients, which is going to make the sauce so much easier to do because if you have a cold liquid going into a hot pan, it's gonna take longer for the roux to form and the cheese sauce. And this is quick, quick, quick. See how it's forming in the middle like this? That's a good indicator that it's ready to go. We're gonna scoop one out here and carefully. Perfect al dente. You know, patience is a virtue. You don't want to leave your roux. You want to slowly incorporate the liquid because you don't want the roux to be lumpy. You also don't want the roux to break when you start putting in all the fatty milk and the cheese especially. So one of the things that I do is just very slow and patient, get this in there, get this warmed up before I put the cheese in. So that way everything just incorporates really nicely, and you have a quick, easy sauce. Listen to that crispy top. Oh man, I can't wait.
Take a bite of the mac and cheese and we're gonna see what the flavor is. Really good crisp on the top.
What do you think?
Cheesy, good flavor from the seasonings. Make sure you guys go check out the recipe.
That's good.
Up on the website is linked down in the description. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank y'all for checking us out.